ato ning gi-trim pag-ayo 20 slides na lang ta karong gabi. So, atong material na gigamit, actually this is nothing new. This is the material reference that we use. This has to represent Israel, not some Caleb or Joshua. Kung sa'yo pasabot ani, ang kaning General Assembly, as much as possible, ang lead yun is the chapter head. Not, wala sa kayo ma-share, kayo ma-hesitate. So, anyway, that is why kailangan dito mo participate kutob sa itong mabuhat, no? So, the ideal worship leader, everyone, it's not all the PWL. Number one, the chapter head has the primary responsibility for the meeting. And you would notice in the succeeding slides, kanisha, we can improve on this sa preparations. And kung sa'yo na-capture from the unit leader level, isa mo yun doon ika-share. The chapter head encourages the members through the unit leaders and action group to prepare. So either the U-shape or the circle ta, di siya mutapok o isa ka area sa circle. Anyway, ang proceeding kay kita man tayo ng mga yes, yes. Atong refer sa atong mga senior leaders. Sige. Salamat kayo.
Gimin siguro na sis. So gimin siguro ng back to the circle.
Vision. The difference between vision and prophecy. Prophecy ko no, wala lahat eh.
Human emotions and external influences. Prophecies must be encouraging, uplifting, and properly discerned before being shared with the community. Section 2. Training on spiritual